Okay, today I'm going to show you how to run a price promo or a Kindle countdown deal. The only way to do that is if you have an ebook of your book. So let me show you how to go about doing that. What you're going to do, let me share my screen. Okay, we're in your Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard. You're going to go to marketing, click that, scroll down to where you see run a price promotion. You can either do a Kindle countdown deal, which basically reduces the price of your book for a period of time. So you can do that, or you can do a free book promotion where you set up to 5 days, consecutive days, that anyone can get your book for free. They don't have to have Kindle Unlimited or anything like that. So let's look at the Kindle countdown deal. You can only use these, I believe it's every 5 or 6 months. Um, let's see here. Now, some of my books, as you can see, it says this book is currently ineligible because a free book promo has already been scheduled in this KDP Select Enrollment period. So KDP Select Enrollment, let me show you that. Let me X out of here just so you can see. Up at the top, this is where you can choose any of your books that you have as an ebook. I'll choose my daughter Natalie's Lord Gerald's Adventure. And there you go. When you enter it, it's in the KDP Select catalog. So anybody that has Kindle Unlimited, basically that's that monthly fee that they pay, and they can get a whole bunch of books for free um, while they're actually members. If your book is enrolled in that, they can get your book for free, which is great because it still pays you a few cents for every page that they read. Okay, so then what I'll do here is I click enroll. So by confirming um, it's available in digital format, yes it is, and it will be enrolled. Yay, okay. How it works. So, whoops, oops, oops. This is the current status of it. So it started today, November 8th, 2025. It will end February 5th. That's how you go about doing that. But let's go back to the price promotion. So now I want to do a Kindle countdown deal. So create a new Kindle countdown deal. What marketplace do you want to use? So I'm going to use, I'm choosing Lord Gerald's Adventure book here. Amazon.com, or if you're in the UK or if you're in Canada, you would choose whatever marketplace you wanted to use. I'm going to start my promotion December 9th. Let's look. Tuesdays are always a great day to do that. So I'm going to do Tuesday, and I'm going to let it run until, I don't know, maybe Friday. We'll do that many. And the starting price will be 99 cents. Select the number of price increments for this promotion at the starting price. You'll be able to view and edit your promotion scheduling after clicking continue. So the ending list price is $2.99. That's the original price. So let's see. Okay, so this is how much it will cost on sale during that time period, and it'll say like you have this many hours or days until this price promotion is over. So maybe I'll just do those 3 days. That'll be fine. Continue. So it's a 72-hour duration, 99 cents. It's about a 67% discount, and that shows up on the listing so people can see that, so they know what kind of deal they're getting. And then you would click add promotion. Please wait while we save. Okay, it's ready to go. Now let's scroll back down here and click free book promotion. I can't use that exact book, so let me go back to my bookshelf. Oops, sorry, my marketing tab. So let me go back to my marketing tab and click free book promotion. Create a free book promotion. It tells you which ones are available at this time. I could use this Nature Tells a Story, this one of mine. I will do that. Continue. You get 5 consecutive days. So you can run it up to 5 days. And it's during your, I think it's every 6 months, maybe it's every 5 months. You can renew that. So you might as well take advantage of the 5 days that you have because it gets your book out to more readers. And that's really the goal for us, right? As homeschoolers, we're not in this to make a ton of money because, to be honest with you, to do that is very time consuming. Um, and it takes more than one person to run that kind of business, that kind of thing. So this is for learning how to grow, learning how to manage finances, learning how marketing is done, learning how writing is done, illustrating is done, and just creating a book in general and sharing it with the world, sharing it with whoever would like to see that. Okay, I'm actually going to pick Sophie's Adventure, the other one, because it already actually had a Kindle countdown deal listed, set up for it. It wouldn't let me go through and do that again. So this is Sophie's Adventure. It looks like I can run it up to 5 days. So I'm going to pick just a couple of days. I know Thanksgiving this year is on the 27th and kids will be home from school then. So maybe I want to do on the Black Friday, maybe the 28th and the 29th. I don't have to use all 5 of my days right now. I can use them later on. So for now, I'll just do those 2 days. Save changes. It's saving your promotion. And there we go. It's currently scheduled. Now, once you're back to your marketing tab, click that again. This is where we are. I would like to encourage you to set up your Author Central. So Author Central is just, it talks about you, it talks about the author. Let me show you, for example, what that would look like. Pulling up one of my books here. Okay, so this is my Author Central. It basically shows all the books that I've been a part of in some way. It tells a little bit about me, so about the author, read your full bio, tells a little bit about you. People can follow you, lists all your books. So this is nice because if people do follow you, this is who I follow, but if people do follow you, anytime you release a new book, it sends it out to them so they know. So you might want to share that with your friends and family, and they can be on the lookout for all of your new books that you're going to make. So that is in Author Central. Okay. Um, so you would just choose your marketplace again, where you're actually wanting that to originate from. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful. You got a little bit of insight on how to um, use the Kindle countdown deals and use the price promotion, free book promotions. It's just a great way of spreading the word about your book, getting it in the hands of more readers, and that's really the main goal. So that's what we want to do. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy book building.